Lyrea 7 TV. Today we'll be doing another cooking vlog. So please join me as I cook for you. If you are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button now. At this point, while we're waiting for food to cook, I'd like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all members of my channel, as well as my super chatters who have been a very big help to this channel. Your help and support will be able for me to continue doing this. Also, I'd like to thank my super chatters. What's up, Mom? Rick's Vlog, Marlene Kang, Jill Lopez Baker, and also I'd like to extend my thanks to all my friends from Team Solid True and Team Solid Premiere. Thank you for supporting all my premieres, as well as whenever I upload a video. And to all my supporters, family, relatives, and friends are always watching all my YouTube videos. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Please continue to support this channel, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new upload. And also, don't forget to leave a comment below. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my members. Rick's Vlog, Chris and Mamita Vlogs, Tips and Minutes, Marlene Kang, Dion Cacho, and also my husband's channel, GRATLC Vlogs. Please support these channels so that we may grow together. Please continue to support this channel by sharing this video, clicking the like button, subscribing to this channel, as well as hitting that notification bell so that you will be notified on my next video. while we're waiting for the food to cook, I would like to do a shout out to the following people. To all my very supportive friends from Team Solitude. Chris and Mamita Vlogs. Tips and Minutes. What's up, Mom? Joylene Ligutum. Just Chain of Negras. Princess Riona. Marianne. Rick's Vlog. My very supportive husband. GRATLC Vlogs. Princess Miro. Simply Mitch 08. Along Channel. July. Marlene Kang. Madame Popper. And all the people from Team Solitude. Thank you for your love and support. I'd like to do a shout out to all my friends from Solid Premier Supporter. Mega love shout out to Ate Letty and JP of UAE. Reno Shang and family. Bing Walon and family. And to those that I have not mentioned today, again, thank you for all your love and support. Once again, thank you for all your love and support. See you on my next video. Until then, you all take care and may God bless us all and keep us safe. Ciao for now. Bye bye. Staying with me and watching my video.